So this is my breakfast. I already mixed it, but I pretty much made this one. So I made my muesli, my toasted muesli, and I've added some Greek yogurt and bananas. You can add any summer fruits, that you have in stock. But I had bananas, so I used bananas. So yeah, this is my breakfast. Bon appetit. Let me add one banana like this. It's so delicious, so yummy. So this is lunch done, and the name of this one is called mini omelettes, and this is how it looks in the recipe book. And this is my version of it, and it looks so lovely. I'm having mine with spinach, but you can have yours with the side salad or anything like that. I'm really excited about this, and I'm so happy with how it looks. And yeah, so this is so yummy. I just tasted one of it and it was super yummy. So this is dinner. So for dinner, I'm having the beef and broccoli stir fry. This is how it looks in the recipe book, and this is my version of it. So I've added some brown rice to the meal, and I really like it with the brown rice. And yeah, I think for next time I would like to make it like fried rice kind of stir fry, with the beef. It's like when you make the beef following the recipe. Yeah, when you make the beef, I would like to add in some of the boiled rice and just stir it in the wok, and make it like a bit of fried rice, but it looks so lovely. I cannot wait to taste it right now. I'm just going to turn it and give it a taste test. Okay, so let's give it a turn, and it looks so nice. This is how it looks, and I'm going to taste it right now. So delicious. I'm super happy with this. I think the lime gives it this kind of kick, which is so good. This is healthy and balanced. It has fresh ingredients. I used fresh ingredients to make it, so this is a balanced meal with the veggies, the carbs, and the proteins and the fats as well. I'm gonna have a glass of water, and this is so good. So yeah, this is my first meal prep using the Second Nature guide, and I'm happy with it. So this is today's menu. It's the chicken fajita bake, and this is how it looks. Well, this is what I made. Yes, I added cheese. Over here is the sour cream, because you need sour cream for the recipe, and then I used some lettuce, the gem lettuce heads, and this is how my meal looks. It's so yummy. So I'm just going to tuck in right now. This is how it looks in the recipe book. This is how mine looks. But it's still yummy anyway. But yeah, meal number, I think this is number 4 or number 5, done. Today I tried shakshuka recipe, and that is it right here. So I'm having mine with some sourdough bread, and it looks lovely. I'm going to try it out right now, but I thought I should show you first. And I'm also having this tea from birdandblendtea.com. Very lovely, healthy tea. It has lemongrass and ginger and all that good stuff in here, as well as lemon peel as well. So yeah, the shakshuka recipe is so easy to follow, and the ingredients are things that you would have in your kitchen cupboards. That is something that I really love about Second Nature. So yeah, this is my meal of the day. Yeah, so if you're trying to lose weight, if you're trying to eat healthier meals, then Second Nature is just the best bet for you. So yeah, this is it. So I'm about to tuck in right now. I'm just going to taste it. Okay. It tastes so good. You know, the bread is hard and chewy, so the heat from the shakshuka has kind of softened the sourdough bread quite a bit, and I really like that. So this is so delicious. So tonight I made baked beans for dinner, and it's just baked beans and spinach. So the recipe asked for white beans or haricot beans or butter beans or cannelli beans. I didn't have any of those beans, so I used the one I have, which is honey beans, and it tastes so delicious. I absolutely love this recipe. It's just a simple recipe. The only thing that I didn't add was mustard. The recipe asked for mustard, but I do not have mustard, so I did not add mustard. However, every other thing that was required in the recipe was so easy to, you know, find in my kitchen cupboard. So yeah, this is another winner from the Second Nature recipes. I absolutely love the taste. It tastes super delicious, and I'm sure this is healthy and nutritious. So this is another meal that I made using the Second Nature recipe, and it is the blueberry oat pancakes, and that is what I made right here. It's so yummy and healthy. I tried one as I was making it, and it was so nice. I just used bananas, eggs, rolled oats, butter, and blueberries to make it, so it's healthy and delicious. So yeah, give it a go. You can try it out. It's super lovely and it's so yummy. Yeah, I'm really enjoying my Second Nature journey. So for dinner tonight, I made butter chicken. This is how the butter chicken looks in the book, the recipe book, but this one is mine. I've added some mixed nuts and milled seeds. So this one is the milled seeds, and then I put some nuts in there. And this one is my butter chicken. If you can see, this is the chicken right here. That's the chicken right there. Okay, and this one is plain natural yogurt that I put in. It's so nice and, you know, creamy, really yummy. I really like this one. So these are the ingredients that I use to make my butter chicken, and it's delicious. So yeah, meal number, I'm not sure what number this is, but this is so good.